In this video, I'll guide you through how to move Steam games and libraries. If you're running low on storage space or simply want to organize your game collection more efficiently, moving your Steam games and libraries is a great solution. The process is built directly into Steam, making it much easier than manually copying game files. Follow along, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your games moved to a new drive while keeping everything organized. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button in the upper right corner of the window. Enter your account name and password, making sure everything is typed correctly before clicking Sign In. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. Next, look toward the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find many of Steam's configuration options, including the settings used to manage your game storage. When the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click on Storage. Here you'll see your current Steam library locations and available storage options. Find the drop-down menu and choose Add Drive. This allows you to create a new Steam library folder on another drive or partition where your games can be stored. After selecting Add Drive, a file browser will appear. Browse to the drive and folder where you'd like your new Steam library to be located, then confirm your selection. Choosing a drive with plenty of available space and good performance can help make future game installations more convenient. Once your new library has been added, return to your list of installed games. Select the game or games you want to move to the new location. After making your selection, click the Move button. Steam will ask you to choose the destination library. Select the new library you just created, then click Move once again to begin the transfer. Now, all that's left to do is wait while Steam moves the selected games to the new drive. The transfer time will depend on the size of the games and the speed of your storage devices. Once the process is complete, your games will be ready to play from their new location without needing to reinstall them. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized Steam library.